Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see another Java interview question which is often asked. So let me just create a new class and let's call it as a demo interview. Okay. This question is around strings. So let me take up one string. Let's say string s1 equals hello, and let's say string s2 equals Java, right? And also let me take two integer values. Let's say int a equals 10 and int b equals 20. Fine. Okay, so now the interviewer will ask you these questions like if we have system.out.println s1 plus s2, so what will be the output? And similarly, if we will have system.out.println a plus b, so what will be the output? And if let's say if we have we are printing s1 plus s2 plus a plus b, so in this case what will be the output? And if we are printing, let's say a plus b plus s1 plus s2, so in this case what will be the output? And also, so these are, let me just give space. So these are the four options. So in the first case, what will happen is that s1 plus s2, so these two strings will be concatenated together, and what the output will be, both the strings will get combined, and the output should be something like hello Java, right? And the second case, it is printing a plus b, so both these things are integer, and a plus b is a mathematical operator, so in this case the output will be 10 plus 20, which is 30. Okay, and now let's see the third case. So here we have s1 plus s2 plus a plus b. So in this case what will happen is that these two, here we have two types of data types, right? One is s1 s2, which are both string type, and we have a and b, which are of integer type. So in this particular case what will happen is that a and b will be converted to string, and all the strings will be concatenated together. So in this case what output we will expect is s1, which is hello, right? Then s2 is Java, right? And a, the value of a is 10 in int, but it will be converted to string, so just write down 10 as it is. And plus b, so b, the value is 20 and it will be converted to string, so we will have 20. So hello Java 10 20, so this will be the output. And if you are telling in the interview like the output will be hello Java and then 30, so that will not be the case. So here these two values will not be added up as a arithmetic value, but they will be added as a string. So we will have hello Java 10 20 as the output. Okay, and now in this particular case, in the last case, we will have a plus b plus s1 plus s2. So remember one thing, the compiler checks all the you can say the data types from left to right. I will just note down here. Compiler checks the data types left to right. So also remember this thing, like when we have a group of operation, then the compiler just checks from left to right. So in this particular case, a plus b, so this will be executed first. So we will have 10 plus 20, which will be 30, and then s1 is hello and java. So and then uh, we will have the string concatenation. So basically a plus b will be evaluated first. So 10 plus 20, it will become 30, and then we will have the string data types. So this 30 integer which we got as a result will be converted to string, and then usually all the concatenation will happen. So we will have output of 30 hello java. So this is one of the very you can say interesting interview question, and generally uh, the interviewer will try to confuse you within these type of options, but just keep this particular example in mind when you are going for the interview, and you will be easily able to crack the interview. So let me just run this program, and let's check what are the correct values. So I'll just run this, and okay, so first one is hello java, right? Second one is 30, which is correct, right? The third option is hello java 1020, perfect. And the and the last one is 30 hello java, yeah, correct. So please remember this. So this is a kind of a very important interview question, and before going to the interviews, just try to revise my java playlist, and it will be beneficial for you guys. Thanks.